Yeah.
My name is Susana Rodriguez, and I'm shooting a 40.
A 40.
A 40.
Firmly, okay? Don't let go of it when you shoot. It's not going to do anything.
Holy shit!
You hit it.
But I hit my target. I hit my target.
All right.
Now I'm gonna
Aim
go
another
for...
target, whatever you want.
Would it go to see that silver rim that I put up there?
Yeah, yeah. You
Okay,
can keep
that.
that.
Hey, record the silver rim up there.
Let's keep
Just
shooting.
record that way.
Almost. One more. You're there. You're really close to it. Boom.
Yeah!
All right, down. Then walk over here.